Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're coming to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and on the notification bell. Now when you do this, go to the comment section. If you have anything in mind you want me to get for you, be it PDF on any course, so long as I can have access to the course, I will send you the link. So use the comment section and comment what you want. Yes, this is what I normally do for my subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to search for secret Telegram groups. Right, so if you've not gotten Telegram yet, you just go to Play Store and search for Telegram. Alright, is it already? I have it installed already in my phone, so this is it if you've not gotten yours. Alright, so mine is out of date, so I need to update that, but I'll do that later. Right, so now I'll just go over to my Telegram app. I already have installed. Alright, so most of these groups I actually joined them using the method I'm gonna show you now. Alright, so the first thing you need to do once you've completed your registration on Telegram, you click on this search icon here. Search on it, click on it. Now let's say I need mode apps. Mode apps are apps that cracked apps actually. There are apps that most of the times when you use them you need to pay in dollars, you need to subscribe as the case may be. But there are also sites that give this app for free. Alright, so let me say I need mode app. I'll just search for mode apps. Alright, so this is it. There's 3 groups is already here. I'm in this group already. So the first one is mode app store, free hacked apps. Then I'll just click on the first one. Alright, Pikachu mode as free. So these are cracked apps that you can get for free. So this is how, with this method, you can join any group you so desire. Let's search for something else. Freelance. Alright, so see freelance, Niger Fiber freelance. So freelancer, you can check here if you need files, as the case may be. Then if you need a social media, just search for anything social media marketing group. You get groups for that. So this social media, so once I click on join, I'm already in the group. You join this channel. Alright, so you can use this method to join any group you so desire. Alright, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In the next video I'll be showing you something very interesting, and I know you will love it as well. Alright, thank you for coming to my YouTube channel.